Have you ever been diagnosed by a TCM doctor or acupuncturist with excess dampness? Do you want to lose weight? Do you often have brain fog and poor memory issues, indigestion, a bloated tummy, skin blemishes, or mental health conditions like worrying, doomsday thinking, or anxiety? And if your TCM doctor or acupuncturist mentions some specific foods, greens or herbs to manage the dampness but you aren't sure how to prepare, cook or enjoy them, then this cookbook is for you. This cookbook teaches you more about managing your dampness and losing weight, plus the fundamental TCM theory of having better gut health and efficient pancreatic enzyme functionality. The Managing Dampness Cookbook explains why you may have excess dampness. It gives lifestyle and food therapy suggestions for boosting and tonifying your spleen and digestion. Plus, insights into emotional causes and dozens of delicious weight loss recipes. Just search Dr. Evan Pinto on Amazon and the book will show up on the results page. It's that easy. Dr. Evan Pinto is a licensed acupuncturist and board-certified herbalist. He has been practicing in Shanghai, China since 2012. Along with treating patients, he is a professor at SMIC Institute of TCM in the Philippines and has also taught at Shanghai University of TCM. Kimberly Ashton is a 5 Elements wellness coach, food educator and author who helps people achieve their health goals by integrating Western nutrition and East Asian culinary wisdom. Her focus at Chi Food Therapy is to support your journey towards better balanced life energies. Go to Amazon.com and search Dr. Evan Pinto to order your cookbooks today.